Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Arifinkidz. Hi, I'm Swarnali ma'am, and today we are going to learn a wonderful life skill. Okay, and what's that? It's maths. Okay, and today we are going to learn number system. Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Arifinkidz.
Audio Vigo, powering on.
And that's number system. Okay. Hello. Am I audible? Audible now? So welcome and good evening to all of you. So let's start. We are going to learn today number system. So, without numbers, math is not complete. So let's learn the number system today. Let's see first, what is the difference between digit and number? You see, digit is a symbol and that's used to make numerals like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are called digit. And with the help of these 10 digits, we can make any number. And number is a count. That is really an idea in our minds. Okay. For example, 6, 12, 234. Okay. Here 6, you can see 6 is a single digit number. Whenever we think about 6, it's 6, it's like we can get this idea now that 6 is like this. 12 is like 1 and 2. So 12 is a 2-digit number. We need 1 and 2. These 2 digits to make 12. And for 234 is a 3-digit number. Na? First 4, then 3, then 2. 234. So we need 3 digits to make a 3-digit number, 234. Okay, so this is the difference between digit and numbers. So now, the important thing in number system is place value. So you all are in class 4, so you have an idea about place value, na? So place value is, what is place value? Place value depends in any number in digits and its position, So just like we have a number 423. Okay. So here is a number 423. You can see this number. It is a 3-digit number 423. So let's find out the place value of the digits. So let's do this. So it's 423. So now at first we'll start from ones place. Okay. So ones place means here you see is 4, 2, 3 and 3 is at ones place. From right side, whenever we saw the number, we'll see the number, it's in 3 is at ones place. So let's write 3 first. 3 is at ones place. Okay. So place value of 3 is digit into its position. Whenever we multiply a digit with its position, then we'll get the place value of the number. Okay. So here 3 is at ones place. So let's find out the place value of 3. So 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. So place value of 3 is 3. Now the next digit is 2. 2 is at which place? 2 is at tens place. So let's write 2 at tens place. Now let's find out the place value of 2. Place value of 2 is 2 into 10. Okay. 2 into 10 is 20. Okay. Now the next is 4. 4 is at which place? Is at 100 place. Yes. So let's write 4 at 100 place. And now place value of 4 is 4 into 100 and is 400. Okay, got it? 420 and 3. Now what are we doing? We will add 400 plus 20 plus 3 and it is called the expanded form. Okay, 400 plus 20 plus 3. And whenever we add, we get the same number. It's 423. Okay, 4, 2, 3. So this is the expanded form and the place value. In this way, we can find out any place value, any 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Okay, and whenever you write the place values, an expanded form always start from the highest place. Just like here, we started 400 plus 20 plus 3. Similarly, if you have a 4-digit number, for example, 4, 2, 3, 5, then how can you do this? At first, 4,000, then 200, okay? 4,000, then 200, then plus 30 plus 5. In this way, we have to write the expanded form and we have to find out the place value. So now, if you have a number, let's see, 635. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the place value of 6 in this number? What is the place value of 6 in 635? 600, in 635, what is the place value of 6? Anyone can do this? 635. Yes, 600. Wow, got so many answers. It's 600. Yes, it's 600 because 6 is at 100th place. So is 600. 6 into 100 is 600. Very good, very good. So now let's learn one interesting fact. And what's that? It's number system. The place value chart is very important. You know, for writing a big number, a place value chart, we have to learn in a good way. Very good. It's 600. All of you done. It's correct. It's 600. 6 into 100 is 600. Very good. So now let's learn number system. And you can see it's a place value chart for you. Okay. And here we have up to lakhs period. So let's take a number and I will show you how to write number in place value system, place value chart, how to place the number, big number. Okay. So here our number you can see is 3472965. It's a 7-digit number, such a big number, no? So we have to put this number in this place value chart. We have to put this number below this place value chart. So let's start. You can see it's a 7-digit number. So let's take first 5. 5, we start from ones place. So 5 is at ones place. So we will write 5 at ones place. Okay. Now next take the next digit and that is 6. 6 it at tens place. Okay. So we wrote 6 it at tens place. Now next digit is 9. So I wrote 6 it as 100 place. We have to write 6 is at 100th place. Now then let's take the next digit. And you know, these 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds, these 3 places make ones period. Okay, these 3 places make ones period. Got it? 965. These 3 places make ones period. Now let's take the next digit and that is 2. And 2 is at 1000 place. So whenever you have a 4-digit number, it start from 1000 place. Okay. So here you see it's 2965. Now let's take the next one. Next digit is 7 and 7 is at 10,000 place. That means whenever you have a 5-digit number, you have to write from 10,000 place. Okay. You see 72,965. And you know, these 2 places, that is 1000 place and 10,000 place makes thousands period. Got it? Now, let's take the next digit and that is 4. And 4 is at lakhs place. And so that means whenever you have a 6-digit number, it's up to lakh place. Okay, we have to write from lakh place. And now let's take a last digit and that is 3. And 3 is at 10 lakh place. So we put the number in this way. 30, you see, is 34 lakh 72,965. Now I will show you. This is the number name. So what is the number name? You see, it's 34 lakh 72,965. Okay. And now whenever you have to write the number, you have to write the number in this way. Okay. We have to separate the periods by comma. Just like 34 lakh, after 34 lakh, you have to put a comma because it's lakhs period. After one period, you have to put a comma. Okay. Don't after the place. You have to put the comma after one period. Just like 34 lakh, you have to put a comma, then 72,000. After 72,000, you have to put a comma, and then it's 965. Okay. So is 34 lakh 72,965. Got it? Now I want to tell you, sometimes children get mistake. What's that? They wrote the number name in this way. How? 34 lakhs, this number they write in this way. 34 lakhs, 72,000, okay, and 965. And this is wrong. Why? Because we never put plural after the period. Okay, here you saw it's lakhs, it's thousand, it's ones, but whenever we write a number name, okay, in written form, we cannot write in a plural form. So it would not be 34 lakhs, it would be 34 lakh, and it not 72,000. It's wrong. Okay, remember this. No, don't write the periods in plural. Okay, always write 34 lakh 72,000 in this way. And another mistake always did by child, they are before one sentence place, they always add and. They always add and. Though I'm always, so that's why I'm telling you that no need to add any and. That means 965, no need. Just write 965. Okay, so it is the wrong way. So what would be the right way? This is the right way that I have already shown you. Okay, 34 lakh 72,965. Okay, okay, got it? So let's solve some international maths Olympiad question and Olympiad question, and by solving the question, we will learn some more concept. Okay, hope you understand. Hope you understood. So let's solve one question. So our first question here is 100 tens. 100 tens is equal to, and we have 4 options. Which would be the right one? That we have to find out. So try to solve this first, then I will show you the answer. Okay? 100 tens is equal to what? Okay, you understood the chat box. Very good. It's 1,000. Now, tell me the answer. So I'll show you the answer, then I'll check the answer chat box, and I'll tell you how many of you have answered correctly. Okay, so 100 tens means 100 into 10. That's all. 100 into 10 means 1,000. So our answer would be option D. Yes, it's 1,000. And this 1,000, not 10,000. Many of you have answered 10,000. It's not 10,000. It's 1,000. And many students have given the right answer is 1,000. Very good. Very good. Very good. It's option D. Very good. Very good. It's option D. It's 1,000. Okay. So whenever you have this type of question, 100 tens or 10 hundreds, that means we have to just do the multiplication, multiply. 100 here, we have done 100 into 10. And on that case, 10 hundreds. For that, you have to do the what type of multiplication? 10 into 100. Okay. So let's solve the next question. Now the next question is the difference between the place values of 5 and 3 in this number. Okay. So try to solve this first, then I will show you the answer. So our question is difference between the place values of 5 and 3 in 75,038. Okay, that we have to find out. So what we have to do is very easy. We have to check the places and then subtraction. Do the subtraction is so easy to do. So let's see the answer. So place value of 5 is 5,000 because 5 is at 1,000 place. So it's 5,000 and place value of 3. 3 is at tens place. So place value of 3 is 30. So now what you have to do? Just do the normal subtraction. We have to subtract 30 from 5,000 and it's 4970. Okay. So our answer would be option A. Option A is 4970. So it is our answer. And many of you have done it already. It's correct. It's 4970. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now I want to tell you that, for example, here our question is the difference between the place value of 5 and place value of 3. But if I say that you have to find out place value of 5 and place value of 0, then what would be the answer? Can you tell me? If you have to find out place value of 5 and place value of 0, here 0 is at 100 place, then what would be the answer? Can you tell me? Just try to solve this. If you have the same question, just instead of 3, here we have 0, then what would be the answer? Many of you have already written the answer. Yes, great. It's 5,000. 5,000, not 500. 5,000. Why? Because place value of 0 is always 0. Whenever we multiply 0 with any number, we got 0. So you see 0 is at 100 place. So we have to multiply 0 into 100. But 0 into 100 is 0. So whenever we subtract 0 from 5,000, we get 5,000. So our answer will be 5,000. Very good. Very good. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now your question is the expanded form you have to write. Okay. You see is 84,926 and now you have to write the expanded form first. Then I will show you the answer. Okay. Expanded form of this number 84926. You see, whenever you have big numbers and you have to write the expanded form first thing what you have to do, you have to count the digit first. Okay, count the digits and start write the expanded form from highest place, and that is important. You have to write from highest place. Okay, so here we have 84926. Okay, you all have done. It's B. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. It's B. Is 80. What is 80,000? Then 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 6. In this way, we have to write first at highest place, then the next place, then next place up to ones place, we have to write the expanded form. So it's 80,000 in an option B, there is 80,000, then 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 6. So option B is the answer. Yes, it's correct. Option B. Very good, very good, very good. You all have done correctly. Very good. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Okay. Question number 4. Now here our question is, which of the following number does the girl like? You see, we have two ovals here. Okay. And in one oval's left side oval, the girl likes this type of numbers, and here she doesn't like this type of number. Okay. So, and we have now 4 options, and we have to find out which option would be correct. The girl like which number? In this 4 option, one would be the same type of number the girl like. So which would be the answer? That we have to find out. Okay. So can you do this? Can you solve this? Okay. It would be option B. Very, very good. It's option B. You are correct. Because you see, here the girl likes number here. All the numbers here, 3-digit number. 343, 262, 505, 191, this type of number. And you see, in ones place and 100 place, both the digits are same. Here is 3 and 3, here is 2 and 2, it is 5 and 5. Okay. Similarly, here 191, and ones place there is 1, and 100 place there is 1. So in option, let's see the option, and in option B there is 454. Here is 356, 276, 627, not similar. This 454 is just like this type of number. So obviously 454 would be the answer. So option B is the correct one. Very, very good. You people are very smart. No? And I'm enjoying a lot. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. 454 is the answer. Yes, option B. So did you understand? So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Here our question is the biggest 4-digit even number which can be made using 3, 4, 9 and 8. That is our question. So let's find out the answer. 3, 4, 9, 8. We have to make 4-digit even number, but biggest 4-digit even number. Okay. So try to solve this. So try to solve this first, then I will show you the answer. So all the best. Try to solve this. Okay, I got many answers. Okay, I'll see the answer. But before that, I will show you the answer. Okay, so you see our question is the biggest 4-digit even number which can be made using 3, 4, 9 and 8. You see, whenever we have to write the biggest number, we have to write first the biggest number and we will write biggest to smallest. In this way, we have to write the biggest number. So here you see our number here is 9. So we'll start from 9. 9 would be first. Okay. Then what we have to write? The next is 8. 9, 8. And now what digits are here? It's 3 and 4. And between 3 and 4, 4 is greater than 3. But many of you have answered that 9, 8, 4, 3. Yes, it is the biggest number, largest number here. But our question is here 4-digit even number. Even number means 4, 3 is not an even number because 9843 is not divisible by 2. So what would be the answer then? Our answer would be the next number. 9843 is not our answer. So our answer would be 9834. Okay, because it's divisible by 2 and it's an even number. So that's why our answer would be 9834. Got it? This is the answer, 9834. Okay, 9834, because it's an even number. Whenever a number is divisible by 2, then the number is called an even number. So 9843 is the largest number in the with the help of this number. Whenever we make any number, it would be the largest number, but it is not an even number. It's not an even number. So that is why it is not our answer. Our answer would be option B. Okay. Okay. Now I want to tell you, if it is an Olympiad exam question. Okay. So that means time is very important, because you have to solve questions very smart way, in a smart way. So the smart way I will tell you. Okay. First, the traditional way, and then I will show you the smart way. Here you see an option elimination method, how to use. Let me show you. Here you see we have 4 options, is 9843, 98349, 9483. You see our number, it's starting, because we have to find out the largest number. So our number will start from 9. So here you see all the options will start from 9. So what we have to do then we have to check the next place. Okay, it's here you see it's 8, then 4 and 4. 4 can't be. So obviously, let's eliminate C and D. Whenever you do the option-based question, you can find out your answer in this way too. Okay, so we have to eliminate then C and D in this way, because 4 can't be in in 100 plus 4 is not possible, because we have to find out the biggest number. So in option A and option B can be our answer. So in between these two, which would be our answer? You see, then we will see the even number you have to find out, and here is 4 3 and here is 3 4. So obviously 3 4 would be our answer, because we have to find out the even number, not an odd number. Okay, so whenever you have the option based question, you can use the option elimination method, and that would be very helpful, because so fast you can find out your answer in Olympiad exam. And next question, I will show you how to use the elimination method, many more. Okay. So let's move on, and you have done your answers are correct. You are really very smart. Very good, very good. 9834. Okay. So did you understand? Whenever you have an even number, just notice the question always. Biggest number, not here also an even number too. Sometimes children just doesn't notice the question in a good way. So always read the question proper way. Okay. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Question number 6. So what is the question? Let's read the question first. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using each of the given digits only once? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. These 3 digits we have. So how many numbers we can form with the help of 1, 2, and 3? But we have to use each digit only once. So, wanna try this? Six. Okay, so let's see the answer first, and then I will check the answer box. Okay, you see we have 1, 2, 3. So first, which number we can make? 1, 2, 3. 123 we can make, and next would be 132. 1, 2, 3 and 132. Next, what happened? We can place 2 at 100 place. Okay, so it would be 2, 3, 1. Got it? And again, the next number would be 2, 1, 3. That's all. And now what would happen? Again, you see 3, we can place 3 at 100 place, and we'll write the next numbers like 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. Okay. And no more numbers would happen, because these are only 6 numbers we can make because we have to use the numbers only once. So it would be these 6 numbers only. So our answer would be 6. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 3 2, then 2 3 1 and 2 1 3, and then 3 1 2 and 3 2 1. Got it? So our answer would be, yes, answer C is 6. 6 6 6. Okay, is answer C is 6. Very good. And let's see the answer box. And it's many of you have said it's 4. B, option B. No, no, no. Option B, no. I showed you the method how to write. First, whenever you have this type of question, use the rap sheet. Okay, just like the numbers and write the numbers, and you will get answers so fast. Got it? It's C. It would be 6. Very good, very good, very good. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. And is question number 7 for you. You see, what we have to do, our question is here. Which of the following options correctly shows the increasing order of the following set? And here we have the numbers. So let's, we have to write the increasing order. So which would be the correct one? You want to try to solve first? So all the best, try to solve this, then I will show you the answer. So let's see the answers, and then I will check the answer box. Okay. You see, it's 416, 408, 431, 499. So we have to find out, we have to write the numbers in increasing order. That means smaller number to bigger number. In this way now. So you see, all the numbers will start from here by 4. So that means what we have to do? We have to check the next place, and we have to check the next place, and then we will write the number in increasing order. Just like here you can see the 416, 408, 431 and 499. In 408, in tens place, so we have to check the tens place, because in 100 place we all have 4, the same number. So we have to check the tens place. So here you see is 0. So we'll write 408 first, because 0 is less. 0 is the smaller number. So 408, after 0, what would be the next? Is 1416, because 1 is in 10th place here. So it's 416, and then you see 2 numbers are remaining here. It's 1 place here is 3, and here is 9. So obviously 431 would come, and then 499. This is the order only. 408, 416, 431 and 499. Okay. So in option A, you will see the same, this order followed. So option A would be the right one, and it is option A. Answer A is the correct one. And wow, very, very good. Many of you have answered, and your answers are all of your answers correct. You all have done correctly. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. A great applause for all of you. Okay. So in this way, you have to do whenever you have increasing order question, yeah, or you have comparison, you have to do the comparison of number. Then just what you have to do first, you have to check the highest place, then the next place. If the highest place digits are same, then you have to check the next place. Okay, in this way, you have to move forward. Got it? So now let's solve one more question. And this is the one interesting question. So let's read the question first, and then we'll solve the question. Okay. You see, question number 8. P, Q, R, and S are 5-digit number. Okay. Each having the digit 9 only once and in the place shown. Okay. You see P, Q, R, S, 4 numbers you can see now. But none of other digits are known. We don't know the other digits. Only we know that we have 9 and we can use 9 only at once. Okay. So which options, which statement is correct about PQRS, that we have to find out. So let's see. Here you can see here you see in option A is showing R is larger than P. Then S is largest of the 4 numbers. Okay. Q is smallest of the 4 number and P is smallest of the 4 number. These are the 4 options. So which would be the right one? That we have to find out. It's so interesting question now. You see, in the option P, 9 is at, it's a 5-digit number. So here you can see, here 9 is at 100 place. And in this number, 9 is at 10th place. Here, 9 is at 1000 place. And here is 9 is at 10,000 place. So, can you tell me which would be the right one? Option D. P is the smallest of the 4 number. No. How can you tell this? P is the smallest. We cannot tell P is the smallest of the 4 number because in number P, 9 is at 100 place. So, how can you tell this? Here would be, here if there is a number 8, because just we know that we can use 9 only once. Okay, so we cannot tell that P is the smallest of the 4 numbers and Q is the smallest. That we also cannot say because we haven't any idea about other digit. But we can tell only one thing for sure, that this would be the largest number. And what's that? And that is S. S would be the largest of the 4 number, that we can tell definitely. Why? Because the S is start with 9 and here in 10,000 place there is 9 and 9 is the largest number. So largest 1-digit number. So as 9 is this number is start with 9, then it would be the largest number. Okay, so that's why our answer would be B. S is the largest of the 4 number, that we can definitely say. Okay, whenever you have these type of question, just watch carefully. Okay, whenever you see that it start with 9 and 9 is at the highest place, then it must be the largest number. And if you have any number and if you have a number and that will start with 1, then the number would be the smaller one. That is the trick. Okay, so if the number will start with 1, then that will be the smallest number, and if the number will start from 9, then it would be the largest number. Okay, so in this way you can find out your answer if you have this type of question. So did you understand? So B would be the answer. B is our answer. You all say option A, R is larger than P. How? R. Yes, okay, okay. Understood. Good. So 9. So always remember this, okay? Whenever your number starting with 9, that would be the largest one. And if the number will start from 1, that would be the smallest one. Okay, fine. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Many questions are there. So let's solve another question. The question number 9, and you have to do this, match the following. And in Olympiad exam, these type of questions are often come. Okay. we have to match column 1 and column 2. So how can you solve this question? Then I will tell you one trick too, how to solve this type of question very fast. Okay. So you see, we have column 1 and column 2. So let's see how can we solve this question. You see, in column 2, one side you have to always solve. Okay. And then we'll write the other side number beside this so that you can find out your answer so fast, because sometimes you get confused because whenever you have the match the following questions. So let's start. Here you see in column 2 we have smallest 5-digit number. So what is the smallest 5-digit number? Is 10,000. So easy. It's 10,000, and you see in option here in column 1, in 2 it's saying that is 10,000. So P is equals to P is 2. We already got this. P is 2. So now let me show you first the trick, and then I will show you the full answer. Okay. So you see is P is 2 here, and now in option A, so whenever you find out one answer, one thing, then how can you choose your answer so fast? Let me tell you. You see is P in option A, here is P is equals to 2. Here we got P is equals to 2. In option B, we have P is equals to 4. So let's eliminate option B first. And now in option C, you can also see here is option P is equals to 4. So also eliminate this. P, B and C will eliminate already. Now in option D, you can see here is P is 2 again. So let's keep P and A and D, let's keep. Okay. Now let's see which would be the answer. So for that, what we have to do, let's find out the next one. You see place value of 2 is 2000. In which number place value of 2 is 2000? Is you see in column 1 is in 3 is place value. Here we have 9,62,000, and here 2 is at 1000 place. So place value of 2 is 2000 here. So it is 9,62,140. So it's, you can see we got Q is equals to 3. So let's see in, we already kept A and D. So let's see first in A, Q is equals to 3, and in option D, P is equals to 2, but Q is equals to not 3, it's 1. So our answer would be obviously option A. In this way, we can find out the answer. So let's check the other things too. Here you see it's 1,39,000 when rounded off to nearest 100. What would be the answer? It's 1 lakh because in 100 place there is 0. So it's 0 is lesser than 5. So it would be 1 lakh. So it's 4. Okay. And now is successor of 9,26,542. Successor means the next number. Whenever we add 1 to the number, we'll get the successor, and it's 9,26,543. Okay, is 1. So you see in option A, all the options is going correctly. It's 1S, 2P, 4R. Okay, so option A is the right one. We got our answer. Is answer A. Hope you understand. Understood now? Is A. A would be the right one. Very good. A would be the right one. So did you understand? Whenever you have this match type question, how can you do the elimination based? Elimination is very important because option based question. Okay. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now here is a fill in the blanks question. So let's read the question first. 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number is P. When 250 tens is Q, 2084 is same as R. That we have to find out. So you want to try to solve this first? So try to solve this. Then I will show you the answer. Okay? So all the best. Option D. So let's see the answer. Then I will show you the answer. So I'll show you the answer first and then I'll check the answer box. Okay. So first is fill in the blanks. 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number is P. 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number is? 1000. So 1000 minus 1 is 999. So P would be 999. Okay. Now the next is Q. 250 tens. You have already learned 250 tens means 250 into 10. That's all. So is 2500. Got it? Now the 3. 2084 is same as R. 2084 is same as R. That means is 2084. Got it? These are so 999, 2500, 2084. So now let's check the answer. Which would be the right one? In option A, you see it start with option A is let's eliminate because it start with 1000. And here you see in option B is 999 and in option C is 1001. So let's eliminate A and C first. So between B and D, which would be the correct one? You see it's 999, but here in Q it's showing 25, but it's 2500 and it's 2085. So option D would be the right one. Yes, answer D is the right one. Very good, very good. Very good. You all have done correct is D. Very good. D, not A, D. Very good. Is option D is the right one. Which one, ma'am, I cannot understand. Which one? This one is so easy. First, 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number. You see, 1000 minus 1 is 999 because okay, 1000 minus 1 is 999. The next is 250 tens. That means 250 into 10 and it's 2500. And then 3 is 2084. 2084 means 2084. And this is the answer. It's so easy. Is option D. Got it? It's option D. Okay. Very good. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Is question number 10 is the answer is D. So do you have any doubts? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Is D. Bharat. Ma'am, I couldn't understand 10 number. 10. This is question 10. It's so easy. Okay, once again for you. Bharat. Okay, you see 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number is 1 less than the smallest 4-digit number. Which one the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So 1000 minus 1 is 999. Then 250 tens is 250 into 10. So it's 2500. Then 2084. So it's 2084. That's all. And option D is the right one. Okay. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now it's very interesting question for you. Can you help Rishan? You know, Rishan's clues about his mystery number. You have to solve a mystery. Okay. And Rishan's clues about mystery number are given in the cloud. You see the cloud? So what is Rishan's mystery number? That you have to find out. So try to solve this first. Okay. Which would be Rishan's mystery number? So can you help Rishan? Okay, ma'am, please explain. Okay, let me show you the answer. Okay, let me show you the answer. Okay, let's help Rishan together. Okay, let's help Rishan together. You see, Rishan's here, all the things is showing. 4 tens, 500, 7 10,000, 9 ones, 3,000s, all the things, and we have to write a number basically. Okay, you see, our here, at first I will show you the option based elimination process. How can you find out your answer? Then I will show you the total process, full process. Okay. You see, here is the highest place is 7 10,000. 7 10,000 is the highest place. That means the number will start from 7 because all the numbers, other things is lesser than 7 10,000. That means 70,000. So the number will start with 7. So let's see the options. You see, in option A is 79453. In option B is 37459. So it can't be our answer. Let's eliminate this. This is the wonderful process, elimination. And in option C, you can see it's also start with 7. 73549. So let's keep it, and now let's move on. Let's see the option D, and it start with 9. So it can be our answer because our number will start with 7. So between B, A and C, which would be the answer? What we have to do? We have to check the next place only, and next place is 1000, and 1000 place is 3000. So 3, the next digit would be 3. So our answer is C. Obviously, answer is C because here is 9. In the 1000 place, there is 9, but here is 3. So our answer is C. Now I will show you the full process. Okay. What you have to do? First, you have 4 tens. We got our answer already. Is C. And now let's see the full way. Is 4 tens, that means 4 into 10. Okay, it's 40. Next is 5 hundreds. That means 5 into 100. So it's 500. Okay. Next is 7 10,000. Means 7 into 10,000. So it's 70,000. 7 into 10,000. So it's 70,000. Now next is 9 ones. 9 ones means 9 into 1. So it's 9. Got it? Now the last one is 3,000. Whenever you have this, just you have to multiply with the places. This is the place value of the number. Basically, we find out. Okay. So 3,000 means 3 into 1,000, 1,000. So it would be 3,000. So now let's write the expanded form. So we'll start from highest place. Okay. So let's write. First is 70,000, then plus 3,000, plus 500, plus 40, plus 9. Okay. So our answer is 73549. The same answer, 73549. The same full process would be followed in this way. But by elimination method, you can find out your answer so fast now with 73549. Okay. So C is our answer. Very good. C would be our answer. Very, very good. You all have done and all your answers are correct. It's C. C. Very good. It's 73549. So, did you understand? The place value. Basically, you have the different way Olympiad question you will get. You get, no? But just think about yourself and use your logic. You get your answer so fast. Okay. So now let's solve one more question. And it's so easy question. Just here is an abacus. Here is an abacus for you. Choose the number in which the place value of 4 is 40 from the following. That we have to find out. That's all. It's so easy to find out. Many. A, B, C, D. Which would be the right one? Choose the number in which the place value of 4 is 40. That we have to find out. The place value of 4 is 40 from the following that we have to find out. We have A, B, C, D, 4 options. Which would be the right one? You see, just we have to see only the tens place. Okay, but just we have to see the tens place and we have to find out our answer. You see, in option A, there are 4 tens. You see, in option A, you see there are 4 bits. That means 4 into 10 is 40. So answer A is the right one, because in answer option B there is 3 bits, here is 2 bits in tens place, and here is also 2 bits. So answer A is the right one, because in here in tens place we have 4 bits. 4 bits means in tens place there is 4 into 10, and 4 into 10 is 40. Okay, so it would be the answer. Answer A is the correct one. Okay, A would be the right one, because we have to find out place value of 4 is 40, and that is only in tens place. 4 into 10 is 40. A is the right one. So now, did you have any queries, any question? You can put your questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So this is the last one question. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'm enjoying a lot, because you people are very smart and you are answering in all question answered. So I'm really feeling very happy, you know. So if you have any doubts, you can put your doubts here. Yes, option A is the right one. Option A is the right one. Okay, so great. Next day, we'll learn some more things, more interesting fact of maths, and we'll solve some more interesting maths Olympiad question. Okay, till then, take care of yourself and bye-bye. Good night. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you so much.